Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm on Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas. Check it out. They have a swim up bar here. The Swim and Tonic. Got a hot tub. Jump in. Enjoy. It's vacant. Casitas up here. You can rent these. There's a small fee associated with the casitas. But a great place to hang out. Call your own. Don't want to take the stairs? That's okay. You can take the slide. Behind me is the Lime and Coconut. It's a very popular bar. Get your favorite drinks here at the Lime and Coconut. You can look down inside the ship there. Down to Central Park. Nice breezy day. Got pools over here. There's another hot tub up there. Yeah, it's kind of like martini glass, wine glass. That's a hot tub. Up ahead's Aquadome Market. Hopefully you've seen a video of that. I have already. Just wanted to show you all the seating they have up here. Catch some sun. Sit here. Have this guy take pictures of you. That's a statue. Yeah, on the right side here is the extension of the Lime and Coconut. Here on the Icon of the Seas, they have so much water, hot tubs and pools. They're all over the ship. Let's see here on the right side, there's hot tubs and there's pools. All right, more hot tubs. Off in the distance there is El Loco Fresh. It's a complimentary restaurant. Got the towel station here. But over here, it's El Loco Fresh. El Loco Fresh is a complimentary restaurant. Get all your favorite Mexican foods. Tacos, burritos, of course, drinks. This is El Loco Fresh. Have your fixins bar here at the salsa station. Alright. And check this out. Once again, you can look down into Central Park. Down there, This ship is crazy. But that's not even the craziest part. I'll take you there in just a moment. But look at this. There's one of the many pools, and I mean many, many pools they have here on the Icon. Let's go this way. All right. This crazy statue art thing, supposed to be a kind of partially deflated flotation raft. All right, but you don't want to see floaties. You don't want to see rafts. You want to see what's up these stairs. Storm warning. Take shelter, because we are headed to Thrill Island. It's the Category 6 water park. Can't believe they have so many slides, so many water features here on a cruise ship. You can hear the thunder rolling in. Must be a storm coming. Look at all these slides. Look up here. All these tubes. All these water slides. So many water slides here. It's like a tangled plate of spaghetti. All these tubes of the different water slides. This is the perfect storm. And some of these water slides it's like 4D, got lots of wind too. Some of these water slides start up there. Sports court here on the left side of your screen. Here's a better view of all the water slides. The Category 6 water park. Look at this. Oh. Slides, and more slides. And over here, mini golf. If you're not into slides, maybe you're into mini golf. We got a nice course over here. Well themed. And of course, here's me, Mystery Shadow 1969 on Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas. Hopefully you liked this video, so please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.